Alright, welcome back to the channel. Aubrey here. We're going to do an update on the EJ205. Today's goals are to take off the intake manifold on this thing. So far what we got off is the alternator and the oil pump and the AC pump. So we're going to try to take this one off today, take off this wiring harness, and just have this ready for prep for cleanup so I can do all the other stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I did off camera was I took off the up pipe into the turbo, and I took off the turbo right here, this little baby guy. I might upgrade this one to the I think VF39, correct me if I'm wrong, but then this one will go for sale. So if anybody wants a 2003 WRX turbo, I'll be putting this up for sale soon. Alright, so just taking a walk around to the video, this is what we gotta do. So we gotta go ahead and remove this wiring harness. I have some stuff here already. I have to just document it, take these guys out, take this out, and all this stuff out, man. It's gonna be fun. I have some, the thing about this is just it's a little bit hard, and as I'm taking off like clips and stuff, they're breaking. Like this tension clip right here. It broke while I was using the pliers, so there's nothing for me to do any of the plier stuff right now. Can't do any of that stuff, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we got most of the bolts off of the intake manifold. Just snagging into a little problem, so we just take a look right here. So taking this guy off right there is really hard because I tried taking off this little clip and moving it forward, but then the problem was it broke and it's not off all the way, so I'm actually just gonna have to cut this guy and just make a note of it to replace it because I want to take this guy off now. So let me just get some pliers or cutters, see if this cuts. Yep, cuts. Not the best. I don't have a knife at the moment, but I'm just gonna cut this guy, just replace it. It's off. Okay, now that I have this off, this should slide right off, and slide right off. Oh, I got one more down here. So if we come around in the back, there's actually this guy right there and here. So it's on the bottom of the intake manifold right here. I'm gonna take it off of this, whatever this thing is. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Looks like there's a big clip here first. Why me? I can actually go from the front now, which is cool. Oh, man. Ah, got it. I got it. All right, let's come off. Oh, that hurt so bad.
Hey, you're not a mechanic until you smash your knuckles.
Oh, it was my finger. Yeah.
Close enough.
Okay, what else is coming off? Okay, so it's almost off. I just have to take off this one clip right here. Took it off, and this should be it. Ah! It is off. I am going to now put this on the floor. Thanks, Harry. Really appreciate it. Look at that wiring harness. Actually, I'll put it here first. Woo! So this is it. This is the majority of the breakdown. Got a couple stuff here still. Wiring harness is over there, but I'm gonna clean. But it looks nasty in here, man. I'm gonna have to. Is that normal? Comment below. Tell me if that's normal or not, because that looks bad.
Dude, that looks like water in the block.
You think so?
Yeah. Let's get some light in there.
Water in the block?
Yeah. You got a flashlight?
Oh, fuck.
Got a flashlight?
Yeah. Or a small one. Alright, so we ran up into some problems right now. Just, I was told when I got this motor that it came from a running car. But I decided to do my due diligence, and this is what I found. So in here, we got some sludge in the cylinder 3 or port 3. So I don't know if this can be fixed or not. If it cannot, then I'll be very upset, because I had this motor for a while and I've been doing a lot of planning, and now that I'm trying to open it up, there's some things in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if this is how far the damage is, and then I'm gonna go. I mean, if worst comes to worst, I'm gonna have to have these heads redone, and new valves and all that stuff. Just pretty much a new rebuild. Hopefully, fingers crossed that this is serviceable still. So yeah, so it doesn't look good. It looks bad. See, the other places look fine. That looks okay, but this one looks real bad. Hard to get there. See all that gunk up in there? Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna go see what I'm gonna do. I still gotta take off. I still gotta take this off. I still gotta do. I still gotta do a couple things to see if this is serviceable or not. But let's just take it a step at a time. So right now it doesn't look good. Alright, so we're back. I took a little nap because I was a little tired from this afternoon's disappointment. Luckily, my boy Harry was able to help me out. Well, so what happened here, just to recap, is that in this port right here, there was a buildup of water which caused it to rust. So I'm going to have to do some work on the heads. And then on this side right here, there was just other stuff going on. So what I really have to do right now is actually I just have to find out the health of this engine to see if it is still serviceable. So I'm going to break it all down, take off the heads, and maybe even open the crankcase or the short block to see if I really need to do it. But just like looking how this thing is, I might have to. So this little swap project is turning into something pretty big now. So it's good for me in terms of experience, but bad for me since I wanted to get this running. But it's okay. Just gotta stay positive and just, keep going. So, ooh. Does that turn on? Nope. Light went off. So, if you guys have any comments, please comment below. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like what you see, or if you want to join me on this little adventure on my EJ205. And yeah, and always stay smooth. Bye.